In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google AdSense account and get approved in just 24 hours. Whether you're new to website monetization or looking to optimize your earnings, this guide will provide you with the essential steps to set up your account quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Google AdSense homepage. You can easily find this by searching Google AdSense in your browser or by directly entering the URL adsense.google.com/start. Once you are on the home page, you're greeted with Google's promise of turning your site's traffic into cash. This is the first step toward monetizing your content. Next, look for the Get Started button. You'll typically find this prominently displayed to ensure that new users can easily embark on their AdSense journey. Clicking this button will begin the account creation process. At this point, you'll need a Google account, which most of you likely already have if you're using Gmail or other Google services. However, if you don't have one yet, you'll be guided to create a new Google account seamlessly. With your Google account in hand, proceed by entering your website URL in the designated field. This is a crucial step as Google needs to review the site you wish to monetize. Be sure your website complies with AdSense's program policies, focusing on original content and a user-friendly experience. Adherence to these guidelines will significantly boost your chances of quick approval. Following the website URL entry, you'll need to select your preferred language from a drop-down menu. Google's support for numerous languages ensures that users globally can participate and benefit from AdSense. Choose the language you most often use for your website's content to ensure consistency and clarity. After these initial steps, confirm your mailing address by providing accurate and up-to-date information. This address is essential as it is where Google will send verification codes and other important communications. Ensuring accuracy here will prevent potential delays in your approval process and earnings disbursement. As you wrap up the preliminary sign-up, be prepared to implement the AdSense code on your website. This involves copying the code provided by Google and pasting it into your website's HTML. If you're using a website builder like WordPress, there are often plugins that can assist with this task, making it even simpler if you're not familiar with coding. Finally, wait for Google's verification process. While it states up to 48 hours, adhering to the aforementioned guidelines often results in approval within 24 hours. During this waiting period, it's wise to continue refining your website's content and layout, ensuring it aligns with AdSense policies. By following these instructions and maintaining focus on site quality and adherence to AdSense policies, you'll be well on your way to approval and monetization. Good luck and happy earning.